Welcome back to the channel, guys. Merry Christmas to everyone out there in the world today, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. Hope you have a great holiday season. And today we're going to do a little more testing of the 1 micron Gunny Juice polydiamond emulsion compound that I got in the other day. I've already tested it on several different steels. And so far the results have been fantastic. I'm pretty happy with the compound, and I really like the bottle that he uses and how well it works. I had a issue today with another jende compound bottle that kind of shit the bed on me and just stopped squirting the compound out. The caps on them, or the tops of them, just for whatever reason seem to keep failing on me, and I have to unscrew the bottle and use the straw inside to wipe the compound on my strops, and that's just kind of aggravating. I haven't owned the Gunny Juice very long. Hopefully that doesn't happen with it. But anyways, let's talk about what's going on with this K390 Endura. So if you guys saw my testing video, did my performance test on this blade to see how it held up. Also cut several hundred feet of cardboard with it to see how the edge retention was, and just generally wore out the edge that was on it. So I needed to sharpen it, and did that today on the Venev 240 400 grit stone. Finished on the 400 grit, which is about equivalent to an 800 grit stone in a conventional sense, I guess, or about equivalent to a medium Spyderco ceramic stone. And I guess this is sort of a review of the jende compound as well. It's on the opposite side of that strop, the 4 micron jende. And I'm not trying to say anything bad about that compound. Don't get me wrong, it really does work well. I've had great results with the 4 micron. It works well for burr removal, leaves a really good sharp sticky edge at the apex, and a consistent scratch pattern. So I've got no problems with the compound itself. I'm just not a big fan of their bottles. They just keep failing on me, and I'm not a fan of that at all. So you can see the polish there, the final polish from that 1 micron. And this is on a piece of basswood. Very high polish, honestly, for that 400 grit stone. That Venev stone uses that OCB binder, which is a non-abrasive binder, and should have perfectly evenly distributed diamonds in the matrix of the stone. So it leaves a very consistent scratch pattern, and no, random deep scratches anywhere or nothing like that. So you can actually take this stone, and with the right techniques and strops, you can actually bring the knife to pretty much a full-blown mirror polish if you have the right strops. But just with this one and those two compounds, it left a hell of a high polish on the edge. So I'm really happy with the look of it, first off. And then here's checking it against the hair. Just stropping for a few minutes with both compounds. And you can see, checking different parts of the edge, they're all hair splitting sharp, hair whittling sharp. And I've yet to try this on any steel yet, and I've tried it on at least 4 different ones at this point, and every edge has been at least this sharp or sharper, even off low grit stones. So very happy with the results of the Gunny Juice so far. I definitely probably will be buying maybe a half micron, or maybe a little bit, maybe a quarter micron. I'm not sure yet. But I'll definitely be getting more of this to try in the future. And then here's a clip inserted at the very end, so you can see the finish a little bit better. Very impressive. So far, I really like this Gunny Juice, and I think it's a great product. And that Scott Gunn over at Gunny Sharp Talk. Go check him out on YouTube. I think he did a really good job with this. So there's the abrasives used and the final finish. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a great holiday season. We'll see you later.